Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cash Rocks and I'm back again with another video. That intro must be done, okay? So this is going to be a very short video, straight to the point. I'm going to be telling you guys how you can bring in your oil to any country you're going to, either to the UK, to China, to US, to Canada, anywhere you're traveling to Australia. How you can easily take your oil with you to the country you're going to. So guys, this is actually an impromptu video. I never planned to shoot it. I was just trying to cook, but I decided to create this content because lots of you have been asking me how I was able to bring in my oil to UK without it being seized, because I have lots of friends that said that their oil got seized at the airport. So let's head right into this video, guys. So what you're going to do is to get a pouch. It's called oil pouch. I think this pouch is actually sold for 1,700 naira. Depending on where you are, it might be sold for 1,800 or 1,900 naira. I don't know, but I think I got mine for like 1,700. Okay, in Nigeria. So you get this pouch. It's actually in 2 liters. They have it in different liters. I think they have for 1 liter, 2 liters, 5 liters. The best for you will be this 2 liters because it's easy to carry on without adding much kg to your bag. So I got these 2 liters of oil pouch. What you're going to do is to pour in your oil into it. So I have 2 of it. I'm just showing you guys one. So this is a 2, and to be honest with you guys, when I was coming in, it was not detected, it was not removed. Even though it passed through the scan, it wasn't removed. It just went straight into the system undetected. So if you're in a place of dilemma of how you can travel with your oil, then you are watching the right video. So get this oil pouch, any amount to see it at your location, pour in your oil and put it inside your freezer. Now the part I'm talking about is the part that is going to make its eyes, like block it. Put it inside your freezer for it to get blocked. And then before you travel, get a foil. There's this silver type of foil that I'm talking about. You should know what I'm saying. This one that they used to wrap meat pies sometimes. Get it and wrap the oil. I think this particular oil, I refrigerated it for, I think, for up to 4 or 5 days, and it was very, very solid. It was all blocked. So I wrapped it with the foil and then I put it inside my bag and travel with it. When I got to the airport, it got scanned, and I think they did not really notice what was inside. They just probably were seeing shiny bags. So if you want to get your oil, if you want to pass your oil in that their machine without it being detected and travel with it, then get this oil pouch, refrigerate it, and use that foil to wrap it very well. Your oil definitely will not be detected. We have gone past that stage of using plastic because I think plastics are easily detected. Also, because they are in liquid form, it is easily removed. You know, they say don't go in with anything that has to do with liquid. So that's why whenever they detect anything that has water in that is liquid, they will get to remove it. So this is the best way you can travel with your oil. Don't say I did not give you these tips, okay? If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow for more travel tips. Join me on my Instagram journey because I post lots and lots of travel tips down there. And also subscribe to this channel for more travel tips. Until next time, bye guys.